Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Wrench Sleeve is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic, offering a unique solution to reach those awkward bolts and nuts that standard wrenches simply can't access, thereby saving you time, frustration, and potentially the need for specialized, expensive equipment, making it an essential addition to your toolkit for a wide range of automotive, construction, and general repair tasks. Number 5. AOBEN 12V Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. Tackle any bolt or nut with ease. This powerful tool delivers up to 40 feet lbs of torque, making removal and installation a breeze. Experience superior fastening speed with 280 revolutions per minute. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control for every job. Never struggle in the dark again. The integrated LED light illuminates your work area, and side indicators show your remaining power. Work with confidence thanks to the backward switch that prevents accidental activation. Its air-cooled motor ensures stable working temperatures for longevity. This comprehensive kit includes the ratchet, 2 long-lasting batteries, a charger, various sockets, extension bars, and a convenient carry case. With two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, you'll have continuous power to get the job done without interruption. What we like. This tool offers impressive torque and a superior fastening speed, making quick work of bolts and nuts. Its integrated LED light illuminates dark workspaces, and it comes with 2 batteries for extended use. If you're looking for efficiency and convenience in automotive or mechanical tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. The sleeve is universal and fits various extension rods. It is designed for electric wrenches, ensuring compatibility and efficient operation. The extension rod is made of durable material, built to last. Number 4. Powerbuilt 2-piece spring-loaded Crowfoot wrench set. Introducing a versatile 2-piece wrench set that acts like multiple wrenches in one. Save space in your tool bag and speed up your work by eliminating the need to search for the right size. These innovative wrenches are spring-loaded and automatically adjust to the fastener size. The jaws ratchet between turns, so you don't need to remove and replace the wrench while working. This 2-piece set, in 3 8-inch and 1 2-inch drives, covers a wide working range. The 3 8-inch drive handles sizes from 5/16 to 11/16 inches, while the 1 2-inch drive works with 9/16 to 1/14 inches. With both male and female square drive options, you can easily use it with a breaker bar, ratchet, or bar extension for maximum flexibility. Constructed from durable chrome vanadium steel, these wrenches are built to last. You can rely on them for a lifetime of tough jobs. What we like. This set replaces several individual wrenches, saving you space and time. Its innovative spring-loaded, auto-adjusting jaws grip fasteners securely and ratchet back, eliminating the need to remove and replace the tool. If you value speed and versatility in a compact package, this is the set for you. What people say. The sleeve is universal and fits most electric wrenches. It works well as an extension rod, providing extra reach for tight spaces. The design is sturdy and feels durable, capable of handling significant torque. Number 3. Rutland KRK 18 Fiberglass Chimney Brush Rod Kit. Introducing the Rutland KRK 18 Fiberglass Chimney Brush Rod Kit. These durable fiberglass rods are designed for effective chimney cleaning. They mate perfectly with 1/4 NPT Rutland brushes, ensuring a secure and efficient connection for optimal cleaning performance. This kit includes a pack of 6 rods, each 3 feet long, providing a total of 18 feet of reach. This allows for comprehensive cleaning of your chimney. You can use them to clean your chimney from the top down or up through your fireplace. They offer flexibility for different cleaning approaches. Please note that one 3-foot rod should not exceed a 45-degree bend. These rods are not intended for spinning applications. What we like. This kit provides a total of 18 feet of durable fiberglass rods, designed to connect seamlessly with Rutland brushes. It's perfect for cleaning chimneys from either the top down or up through the fireplace. If you're a homeowner or professional needing to maintain your chimney's safety and efficiency, this rod kit is essential. What people say. The extension rod is designed to be universal, making it compatible with a wide range of electric wrenches. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and reliable performance, even under heavy use. The extension rod effectively reaches tight spaces, providing greater accessibility for various automotive tasks. Number 2. inZaynity 3PC Universal Socket Set. Introducing the Universal Socket Set by inZaynity. This versatile tool is designed to work with a wide range of fasteners, making it perfect for all your DIY or professional projects. It adapts effortlessly to various sizes, allowing you to tackle different tasks with just one socket. This set features an innovative design combining flexibility and durability. It includes a flexible drill bit extension, perfect for reaching those hard-to-access areas. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, it ensures strength and longevity. Whether for home repairs, automotive tasks, or furniture assembly, it adapts to all your needs. It fits a variety of fastener types, including bolts, nuts, and screws, accommodating both metric and imperial sizes. Looking for the perfect gift? This universal socket adapter makes an excellent present for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Packed with functionality, it's a thoughtful and reliable gift for anyone who values high-quality tools. With inZaynity, you're choosing quality, reliability, and innovation. Our tools are crafted with precision for top performance. We deliver tools you can rely on for a seamless work experience, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. What we like. This set is incredibly versatile, adapting to a wide range of fasteners from 7mm to 19mm. The included flexible drill bit extension allows you to reach difficult areas with ease. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional tackling various projects like home repairs or automotive tasks, this multi-tool is a must-have for your toolbox. What people say. The sleeve is universal and fits most electric wrenches. The extension rod provides better reach for tight spaces. It's made of durable material that withstands high torque. Number 1. Universal Self-Adjusting Socket Set. Tired of searching for the right socket size? This innovative tool automatically adjusts to fit any nut or bolt from 7mm to 19mm, making your work faster and easier. Its unique design allows it to securely grip various fasteners, including hex nuts, eye screws, and bolt heads. It's the versatile solution for any repair task. Replace your entire socket set with just one tool. This compact and efficient socket is perfect for household maintenance, construction, and industrial use, saving you money and storage space. Surprise the handyman in your life with a gift they'll actually use and appreciate. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or Father's Day. Easily connect it to your ratchet or power drill for added convenience and efficiency. This tool is designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing toolkit. Experience professional-grade performance in the palm of your hand. This tool is built for durability and precision, whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast. What we like. This tool automatically adjusts to fit a broad range of metric and standard sizes, from 7mm to 19mm. It can grip various fasteners, including hex nuts and bolt heads, and works with power drills for added convenience. If you're looking to simplify your toolkit and save money by replacing multiple sockets, this is a practical and efficient solution. What people say. This is a great tool for reaching tight spaces. The extension rod is very sturdy and well made. It fits perfectly on my electric wrench and makes it much easier to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.